That's got to be the chain on the back. That's... Nope. Huh, I don't know what that was. Working on bikes today, and on this I had to swap the motor because of a transmission problem. So Ewan helped me with this one, got the motor put back in and putting the carbs back on, etc. So this is pretty straightforward motor swap. Air filter, I'm putting things back together just the way they were. And I always run an air filter because I don't want unfiltered air getting in my engine, but now I'm rethinking this. Just kind of looking at the surface, probably doesn't show up on the video. Let me tilt it this way. If you look at the bottom, see the metal disc at the bottom? See all the crap? I don't know if this is focusing. But I also see that on the pleats on the inside of the filter, very large chunks of crap. I ran my finger around the inside of the air intake on the motor before putting the carb on, and I feel a lot of debris and crap inside the intake in the engine. So I'm just second guessing strategies for air ingestion in the motor. Maybe this is something everybody deals with and never realized getting crap in the motor isn't such a bad thing after all. But I don't know, it makes me think twice about what's the point of a pod filter, because it doesn't seem to be catching very large chunks of material. Anyway, this is about 6 months old. Been on that bike. It doesn't get ridden a whole lot. But there's definitely enough there to get my interest. Back where I started the day, fairing's back on, everything's back together. It just has a different motor. It shifts, it works. All a day's work just to get back where we started. I started. Well, Ewan came over and helped me swap the motor. Only obvious difference is the sprocket cover. Otherwise, you can't really tell anything's changed. But I rode it around. I can shift gears now. It's functional.